Okay, so welcome back to my channel, Beat Shadows. I'm Kia, and yeah, you're gonna see this makeup, hair, and black shirt probably for the next 3 videos. I didn't feel like changing. I'm just gonna keep it 1000 with y'all.
So deep in love, so we just might drown. Don't do it. Help me believe that it's love we found.
So this video is going to be a requested video from one of my subscribers. She wanted me to do like a makeup starter kit for those who are trying to get into makeup or whatever. So I tried to put it together, something affordable. You know, you don't want to, I personally don't feel like people should jump out there and do the high end when they're just trying to get into it. I think they should try to start with the drugstore, you know, lower end, and then work their way up. But I am, y'all know my beauty channel is based on beauty on a budget anyway. I rarely buy high end makeup because I don't see the point. Number one, you have drugstore and lower end makeup that does the same exact thing. So why would I pay you $50 for something I could pay $15 for, and it's gonna do the same exact thing? But that's just me, my preference, my pocket. So so I kind of got some stuff laid out, and I'm just gonna kind of talk through it. The next video, I'm gonna make this part 1, and part 2 I'm gonna show you how to use it on your face, how you can achieve a nice deep face with affordable starter kit makeup, if that's what you want to call it. So we're gonna get right into it, and I'm not gonna talk too long because I know people don't like that. Okay, we're gonna get into the video. The thing we're gonna talk about is foundation. I have a video, I'm gonna link it up here and or here, is talking about how to find your shade and foundation. Some people don't. I show you 2 different ways to do it, here and on your neck. I mean, not neck, but like chest area. I know people are mainly doing their chest area now because, you know, your face and chest kind of go. Some people don't like to swatch on their jaw, but I show you both ways, so you can check that video out. Now for me, the best affordable drugstore foundations are Black Radiance, Black Opal, and Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline has a new foundation out, and it's the Color Stay foundation. I don't want to pronounce it wrong, but I am gonna get my hands on my shade. I've been looking for my shade, but you know, Walmart and drugstores usually don't carry. Even though I'm a lighter skin tone, y'all, sometimes they don't carry my shade. So as soon as I get my hands on it, I'm gonna do a review and a test on that. But these 3 would be your best friend foundation. Number 1, Maybelline, it's about $4 or $5 and it's full coverage. This, I think I paid $9 for this at RITE. I'm not for sure how much Walmart has it for, but it's still affordable. And this is Black Opal, their True Colored foundation stick. This is full coverage as well. And of course, Black Radiance is what, $4 too, and this is not full coverage. It's kind of like medium sheer, but hey, if you build it and color correct, you will be fine. These 2 I would wear if I'm going out or if I'm gonna be taking pictures. I wouldn't wear this if I'm gonna be taking pictures or whatever, because it's not really full coverage, but it's still a good foundation for those of you getting into makeup and don't really like that makeup feel. And this would be good. I'm looking all over because I got mirrors and stuff. I'm trying to make sure I'm in angles, but this still is a good foundation. So these 3, and I'm gonna either put them across the screen or down in the description box for you. So yes, foundation, Maybelline, Black Opal, and Black Radiance would be your go-to foundations, I feel like. This is just how I feel. You know, you may feel differently, but let's get into concealers. Concealers, for me, LA Girl Pro. Full coverage, $1.99, $2.99 now at the drugstore. No, not the drugstore, the beauty supply store. You cannot go wrong with LA Colors concealer. I don't know what else to say, y'all. Everybody knows that YouTube hypes up products. YouTube hypes products up. Sometimes I be like, girl, stop. No. But with this one, I was like, Hey girl, hey. Yes, LA Girl Pro Concealer is it. So I would recommend this for a beginner's starter kit. I'm in the color Cool Tan. This is closest to my skin tone. I also use chestnut to contour with when I do like a contour, a cream contour. But yeah, for now, what I have and what I've started with, bae. So we're gonna move on to brows. This is LA Colors Browie Wowie Brow Pencil, $2 at Dollar General. I love this brow pencil. Great for starters because it comes with the spoolie and the tip is at an angle, which is great when you're trying to start out doing your brows. And it's very, very light. It's in the color, what is this color? Dark, but it's not that dark. It may look dark, but it's not dark at all. That's why I say this is good for people who are starting out trying to do their brows, because it's not like a heavy dark color. You guys can use this and kind of play with it and make it your own. So I would say pick this up for a starter kit doing your brows. Powders. Airspun. Y'all know I swear by Airspun. I have the original formula. This is the Airspun loose face powder. It says they've been out since 1935. Girl, they've been slaying faces since 1935. Oh, B. And this is I have it in the color Naturally Neutral. And I love this powder. It is $5 at Walmart. You have to search for it. It's kind of over there by where they have the nails and the lashes and stuff. You kind of have to look over there, because I searched for this for about 2 weeks and I was walking all past it. But this is a good setting powder and it works on every skin type. People be making me mad when I be watching videos talking about Airspun. Like, no, don't do her. She do work for dark skin and light skin. You just gotta know how. You gotta know what you're doing. Airspun is a great starter kit beginners for setting. We're gonna talk about sponge and brushes. Brush sets are Real Techniques have great brushes, and I do have some, but I don't feel like getting up. I'm just gonna be honest. So Real Techniques have sponges as well. I actually need to start using this one because the old one is I had to throw it away, but I got this from Ulta and I paid, I can't even remember, but they sell them at Walmart. These are affordable sponges. They are it says they're 3-in-1 multi-functional sponge. You got the flat edge is for like your contour area in your nose, and then you know you blend the side part of the sponge is for your face or whatever, and then the tip is for imperfections. But and I just use the sponge, and this is the bomb. Like, this was one of the hyped up products from YouTube that I was like, I'm not about to go buy that sponge and y'all hyping it up. But I think I had a little money to blow one day, and I was like, let me just pick these sponges up. There's 2 in here, so if I don't like one, I can give one away. But hey, I ain't trying to give it away. It took me forever to throw the other one away. Great sponge for starter kit beginners with makeup, so pick this sponge up. I said I wasn't gonna get up and get the brush, but this is one of the Real Technique brushes that I have. This is actually the sculpting brush right here. It has like the angle is flat and it has an angle, and I haven't used it in a while, but I love it. I love it because it's soft and it picks up product really good. But when I do use it, I use it to contour with. But I think you can probably use it here for concealer. So yeah, Real Techniques, and they are affordable. You can find them in Ulta, Walmart and Ulta. Okay, so the next product we're going to talk about is contouring palettes. For beginners, you kind of want to buy a kit that has kind of everything in it. And if you can't get a kit that has everything in it, you need to at least find products that kind of has at least 2 to 3 things in it that you know you can use until you branch out and get the hang of it. And Black Radiance has their True Complexion Contour Palette, and these palettes are really, really good. I know everybody uses them. I cannot tell you how much they are, but they are affordable. I can't remember. I'll put down in the description box the prices of everything I'm talking about. And this is the light to medium. I use this on clients too, y'all. But this is the light to medium I have. This is for my skin complexion, if you're light to medium. In this palette, you have the contour, the sculpt, and the highlighter. And all products in this palette is bomb. So this is great for people who are starting out. And you can find this at Walmart, CVS, WALGREENS, and anywhere that sells Black Radiance. Now, eyeshadows are a hit and miss. Even with drugstore and high end, they are a hit and miss. I can't really say like a drugstore eyeshadow that I really like that didn't have any fallout. I can't think offhand, but if I do, I'll put it in the description box. But I will say that these eyeshadows that I use all the time in my tutorials, these eyeshadows come from Coastal Scents, and they are like $1, but they always have their sale where they are 98 cents, 95 cents for each eyeshadow. So I would say subscribe to their newsletter and follow on Instagram or something, and you'll be able to find out when they're having their sale. But for 98 cents, I love these eyeshadows. Like, you can tell I love them. Look, you can see the dents in them. I ain't heat pan, but you can tell I be digging all up in I actually have one in my inner corner now. I believe I sure do. This peachy color here. It's like a peach rose gold color, and I have it in my inner corner. But I love these eyeshadows. So they, for me personally, starting off, NYX has great lip liners, and Nicka K has great lip liners. And why did I? Don't worry about these. For lip liners and eyeliners, NYX and Nicka K. Nicka K is $1 at your beauty supply. NYX, you can find them at your beauty supply. They're not $1, but they're not that expensive. So yeah. Okay, and this is the lip line, eyeliner by LA Colors Gel Glide. I think it's like $2, and it's really, really good. Okay, so the last product I think I'm gonna talk about, I feel like I'm forgetting some stuff, but y'all know how my house get a little loud. So moisturizers, I should have talked about this first. Nivea Crème is good. It's great for all skin types. You can get this small tube at Dollar General and Dollar Tree for $1. And also primers, the Baby Skin Instant Pore Primer. This is a good starter kit too. I mean, yeah, for your starter kit. Because priming and moisturizing is the very first thing you do when you do your makeup, and the most important thing you do, because it makes your makeup stick, last long, goes on smooth, and makes everything look flawless. So always moisturize and prime. Okay, you guys, I think that's it. Anything that I did not talk about in part 1, I'm going to talk about in part 2 when I'm actually putting the products on my face. But I hope that helped you. If not, if you want me to go into depth or want me to talk about something else or another product or anything in part 2, comment down below on this video, and I will. And like I said, I put all these products down in the description box, prices, and where you can find them at. And yeah, so I'll be back with part 2, showing you guys actually how to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, I'm doing a giveaway, so go ahead and enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next video.